Well, guess what has turned up today after at least 6 months. I think I paid for it in May. Anyway, it's my Swytch bike kit, which should be in there. Should be a wheel with a motor in it and a battery pack and stuff. And the instructions say once you get it is put the battery pack on charge as soon as you get it, so that it's all ready. It's the first day after the complete freeze. But it's not exactly nice weather, so I'm not sure when I'm going to put it all together. But let's go inside and have a look. And I just want to open it up and see what's in it. Because all I want to do today is just see what's in it and put the battery on charge. Right, let's see what's inside. Oh, there's some more stuff inside. No, it's just a lid. Okay, oh, there's a bike wheel. There we go. So that's the motor and the wheel, and somewhere, oh, there's a mounting kit underneath, accessories, so somewhere there should be, oh, is that a battery? Don't know, what's that? It looks like I'm going to have to get the wheel out before I can get anything else out. Okay, well that's the wheel with the motor. That should, oh God, I hope that's going to be right size to fit my bike. Hopefully it is. Right, what's in here? Pedal sensor, plug adapter, charger brick. That's the mount. What's this thing? Display. I think most of it is in here. Right. There's something in there. Conversion kit. There's the power adapter. Okay, so that's not the oh, there's the battery there. There we go, hidden underneath. That's my battery. That's quite heavy. Inside here is the charger somewhere. Or there's an adapter for something. Or maybe you can plug a different sort of charger in. Not sure. And charger plug. What's this one? Oh, that's the pedal assist sensor. And there's probably a power supply in there. There's something inside this one. Right, I'm going to have to get these out because I can't really do it one-handed and see what's inside the boxes. Right, oh, here's the cat. The cat's just going to decide to play. Hello. I've taken his other box away. He had a box under here that he was sitting in before. Everything's out of the big box now. That's some kind of adapter. I've to figure out where that's going yet. Here's my quick start guide, and then there's a bigger instruction book. Okay, so some bits I'm not going to open now. So this is the display. This bit I'm going to need, it looks like it's the charger plug. I presume this part just goes onto the charger brick. Oh, it's just the mains plug. Okay. Oh, it's just an adapter, so it's just got a sort of a 2-pin connector. This is the charger itself. Let's see what that looks like. There we go, there's the charger. Looks a bit like a laptop charger. In fact, it looks very much like a laptop charger. I wonder if it is. Anyway, it says an AC adapter. I can't really read what it says on there. You see, is that 42 volts? Output 42.6, 42.8 volts, 2 amps, 85 watts. Yeah, so it's quite a high voltage, so it's probably not a laptop charger, but it's similar. Okay, so that's the charger. Then there's the pedal assist sensor, so that's the bit that detects whether you're pedaling or not and decides when to actually power. That's the mount for mounting the, it's a bracket to put it on the bodywork somewhere. And then this must be the actual battery pack itself. This is presumably a 40-something volt battery pack. Okay. Oh, it's actually quite heavy. I'd say 2 kilos, something like that. And that sort of clips on. I think I bought the extended range one. I think there were 3 versions, and this was the sort of middle version. It presumably says on it somewhere. Anyway, I've got to get that on charge. The quick quick start guide didn't actually mention anything about charging specifically, but this one, instruction manual, does have something near the back. Charging. To charge your power pack, plug the charger into the yellow connector block as shown, like that. So that's the yellow connector block, and it's got this protective labelling that says only use the proper charger, and it's got basically it's got lithium batteries inside it, so don't do anything to take it apart. So I've got to peel that off first. Oh, Ronnie, what are you doing? Okay, so we'll peel that off. Okay, that's my sticky label. I should put that there for a moment. And then obviously that has to go into there, and then this bit plugs into the power supply, which then plugs into the mains. So let's go do that. We've got the lead plugged into the battery pack, and that's plugged into the power supply with the adapter, and that's plugged into the mains plug. So let's plug the mains in and switch it on. Oh, it is switched on. Well, there's a red light come up on that. Is that the only light? Is there a light on the power pack itself? Is there a light on it? Can't see anything. No. Okay, well there's some lights there, but I think you have to press the button. There's a little button next to it. I wonder if you press that. Oh, there we go. Yeah, some lights come on. Okay, well there's nothing obvious other than that little red light there, so I'll leave that on, and presumably that goes green or something once it's charged. And then at some point I need to fit that wheel onto the bike as a replacement. I need to fit a tyre onto it as well, so I've got to take the old wheel out, put that tyre that's on there at the moment onto this wheel, and then fit it all back to the bike, and hopefully it might work. But I think I might, well, it's Christmas-ish time, so I've got some time on holiday, but I'm just waiting for some days when might be nicer weather. So anyway, I'll keep you posted.